So if I want to change the fill color of a shape, I can simply select a shape right here, and I'm going to go onto my home tab right here. And on home, you can see the option for fill. So you can go over here, choose any color that you want. For example, if I want to choose this, for example, you can see that you can simply choose a color you want. But you notice that the end user text does not change. So you actually have to go here, and if you want to change the text, you can select the text right here, change the text separately, just like that. So that's a bit of an extra work right here. So what you can simply do is you can also use the shape style. So you can actually go over here, choose any of the shape that you want to apply. So you can see that even the text changes with it. So you can see that once I select this, the text actually is not changing because I overrode this. But if it is a normal text like this, for example, a heading, if I were to change it out, you can see that the text changes as well. So you can go over here with the shape fill option and so forth. This is actually not a fill, so I'm going to select another shape right here. So I'm going to go over here into something like insert. I'm just going to insert a regular shape right here, right? So a container, let me just select this container over here, show you what I'm talking about. So I can go over here, and you can see that over here in the home section, I can go over here and select any theme I want. So I can go over here, you can see that this is the theme I selected, and the text is white. The heading, as you can see, is white. But if I were to select this, the heading becomes darker, just like that. So you can simply select the shape that you want and click OK, just like that. Besides this, what you can also do is you can go to effect options. So you can actually right click this and go to format shape. And once you do that, the format shape actually appears right here, and you can see that solid color is selected. So you can increase the transparency level of the color right here. So you can increase and decrease the transparency level, just like that, as you can see. And what you can also do is you can change the color right here, right there as well. You can also go over here into solid color, change different color from here, and it will color the lines right there. So now what I'm going to do is in the fill, I can also go over here and select something like this shape right here. Let me select this shape, and over here you can see that this is a solid fill, and over here you can see that there are different solid lines. You can also fill it up with a gradient right here and choose different kind of gradient, just like this, according to what you want. And there's a gradient effect, and you can also with gradient stops right here, which we're going to talk about in the further lessons. So that is how you can work with fill and change the fill color of shapes inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.